A storm that starts out as a blustery day swells and joins with others to smother the planet. A blood-red dirt cloud races and rages, obscuring the sun. Twisting pillars of powder-fine dust blast the surface, spinning at over 160 kilometers an hour. It's just another day on Mars. But this alien weather would suffocate life on Earth.